Fall is right around the corner and it is still beach weather in Alabama. What's a girl to do? This is Paula Tisch, your favorite Huntsville realtor, and today I'm going to talk about how you decorate your house for fall when it's still 950 degrees outside. I have 4 ideas for you. First of all, pumpkins. Okay, in the north, you get your pumpkin and it can sit outside and it's wonderful. You can carve it and whatever. It's cold out. And so it's keeping your pumpkins and gourds nice and cool and not rotting. In the south, they rot. My solution for this is buying some not real pumpkins. Like they make all kinds of really great faux pumpkins that you can use, and these do not rot. So there's that. That's a good start. But also you can use gourds, which last much longer, hay bales, flowering kale, flowering cabbage, garlands. Hobby Lobby has amazing garlands that you can use, and they can be used almost anywhere. I also really love magnolia leaves. And let's face it, we have a ton of magnolias around, so there are leaves everywhere. You can make a wreath, you can put them in your flower box, you can put them on your table, you can put them everywhere. So there are lots of alternatives to a rotting pumpkin. Number 2 is take out your dead flowers. Change out your flower pots, your window boxes, whatever it is that you have on your property. Take out the dead stuff and fill it with fall flowers. There are beautiful fall mums, there are oranges and burgundies and all the fall colors in a variety of flowers that you can replant in your flower boxes. There are also all types of greenery that you can use. You can use ivy, artichokes, cabbage, ornamental kale. There are tons of different kinds of greenery and flower that you can pick up at Lowe's, or you can go to the Greenery here in Hampton Cove, or Earth Touch on the south side. There are plenty of wonderful places that you can go pick up cool flowers to replace the dead ones in your boxes and pots. Number 3, make yourself a leafy wreath. You can make it, you can buy it. There are plenty of places that have them pre-made, but you can also just go for a hike and pick up colored leaves or magnolia leaves or holly leaves or whatever kind of leaves you want. You can even pick up a bunch of those little bitty faux pumpkins and make a wreath out of that, but make a fun fall wreath. And last but not least, have you heard of a mumpkin? A mumpkin, yes. It's a thing. So what you do is you take your pumpkin, and this is a real pumpkin. You carve out all the inside, you fill it with dirt, and you plant your mum in it. Okay? This is gonna help that pumpkin not rot because it's got a whole bunch of stuff inside of it, right? And keep your mums happy. I mean, it's like instant fertilizer and all the things. Get you a couple of big pumpkins and plant your mums in there and have a mumpkin. I would love to hear what you do to decorate your home for fall in the heat of Alabama. Comment below or shoot me a text so I can see the pictures.